A real good mask will avoid anything from going in and everything from going out. So here's a test. You get a lighter and you blow. If you can shut this off, then you need a thicker fabric. If you can't, then you got a good one. Let's try it out. It's great. So these are the supplies you're going to need to complete this project. You're going to need 2 rubber bands, 2 of these potato chip clips holders, scissors, stapler, 1 of these 12-inch long pipe cleaners, and some sort of tape. I am using shipping tape, wrapping tape, but you can definitely use duct tape. I'm sure it'll work even better. And most importantly, your fabric. Right now I'm using a fabric that is 12 inches long and 7 by 8 in width. And I cut this out of some old swim shorts. So it's durable, it's thick, and I think it's going to do well. And that's your supplies.
Job.
So the next step is I want the outside of my mask to be this side. So I put some tape on the outside like this. Flip it around. Pipe cleaner goes here. And then you overlap it. So you can close the pipe cleaner through there. Next, you get your fabric that's taped in. You fold it in once more, about a 1/2 inch. Flip around, fold evenly, flip around, do the same, and you keep on going until you reach the end of your fabric, like so. And that's when you use these clips. To hold it in place. So your final steps, basically what you need is your rubber bands and your stapler. You have your fabric folded, you get the rubber bands, put it like so, and then basically what you gotta do is staple it to the fabric. Like that. And you do it to the other side. Take the clip off, and then you have your mask. And this is your finished mask. Let's try it on. Make sure that the top part is the part with the pipe cleaner, because you're going to utilize that. First, what you do is you put the one ear, next ear, and then you spray. Then you bend in the pipe cleaner and mold it to your nose, and you mold it to your cheeks. That's and now you have protection.